What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and you should buy this device, this flip device, in 2024. Starting off with this form factor. This form factor is great because it folds, it becomes compact, and if you're out there in the market looking for a great compact smartphone, Galaxy Z Flip 5 is that phone. First of all, compared to its predecessors, it has a much larger screen and you can use it for full-fledged applications. Yeah, it doesn't really sound that practical playing like Call of Duty or watching YouTube videos or Netflix on this cover screen, but it's still there. Like if you're gonna quickly browse something on Google or do something, whatever it is, it's just easy to know that you don't need to flip open the screen and use it that way. I know it sounds a little impractical, again, especially with the applications I have right here, but I've used it before and it does really come in easy. Like if I just need to quickly check something, I just open it like this and one-handed use, I'm all set to go. Or you can just use it for its widgets right here with the weather. Using it for alarm is really easy because I'm always setting up alarms, obviously, every night when I go to bed. Or just quickly pulling up Twitter or a YouTube video, whatever it is, you have that larger screen. And it's useful compared to the Z Flip 4 and the 3 and the original. You just have the option, the opportunity to use full-fledged applications. And I guess that's what makes it really nice about this. In addition is the design of this. And I'm going to kind of put that into the form factor, is Samsung refined this design. It folds completely flat. This Samsung.com exclusive color is great. It has matte finish all around the sides. It has a matte finish on the back. If you go with the .com exclusive, it just feels really good in the hand. Next is the upgraded chipset. This does equate to a slightly better battery life. It's finally good for the average consumer, I can say that. It's not flagship level battery, but it's much better than its predecessors. The Z Flip 4 also has a 3700 milliamp hour battery. So does this one, but with the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, this has been great. It really has. Granted, I'll put it out there, I am a heavy user, so I do need to charge this towards 5, 6 p.m. But for an average consumer who's not really using their phone, like a pro phone consumer, then you won't need to worry about the battery life. This will easily get you throughout the day, and you just plug it in when you go to bed, wake up, and you're all set to go. It's great. And the chipset itself, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, even though the 8 Gen 3 has been released, and yes, we're getting a Z Flip 6, that's a thing every year. We're always going to be getting upgrades. So if you think about it like that, the Z Flip 6 is coming out. When that comes out, why don't you just think about the Z Flip 7 and then the Flip 8? And it's just an everlasting cycle, so I don't really think there's a need to kind of stay focused on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Flip 6, which is going to come out towards the later in the year. This is still a phenomenal phone, a phenomenal chipset. I've used it on a day-to-day basis. It hasn't had any issues whatsoever. It's been great, no hiccups. Android 14 One UI 6 has also been great. If you're looking for a great software experience, performance experience, you really can't go wrong with this flippable, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. And another reason why I also think you should pick it up is because of its price. Now, the base price, $999 for 256 gigs. Yeah, it does sound expensive. $999 is not a cheap price, but I think it's a great price for a foldable. And in addition, this phone always goes on sale, and you'll find it for a very good price, whether it's through Samsung's website or you find it through Amazon or Best Buy, whatever it may be, this phone will always go on sale. I've seen it for as low as $799, brand new, and the base model is 256 gigs, which is great. They upped it from 128, so now the base is 256 gigs too, and I think that's more than enough for the average consumer. Now, I'll be leaving a bunch of links in the description down below, because like I said, Samsung always has awesome deals for their devices, including this one here, like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. But overall, Samsung has listened to their consumers. They have taken back the feedback. They have refined what was needed in the Flip 4, made it better with the Flip 5. Now there's some refinements to make with the Z Flip 6, but even if those refinements happen, like a flagship level camera, I don't think there's a need to upgrade. The cameras are great too. They're not flagship level quality, but they're still really good. You can use this cover screen and use the main cameras for selfies. That's also a plus, but everything else, just a normal smartphone that folds into this compact form factor, easy to carry. It's a great device. Can't recommend it more. I can recommend it more than its other competitors. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. And also definitely be sure to check my latest wallpaper packs. And this one right here is my favorite wallpaper pack. It's called Nebula. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below, as well as my merchandise. I have a bunch of different merch, including coffee mugs, water bottles. I have desk mats, joggers, duffel bags, sweatshirts, t-shirts, you name it, we have it. Links are in the description down below. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.